Hello, everyone. I'm here with Mr. Pierre Poilievre, a frontrunner in the current race for the leadership of Canada's Federal Conservative Party. As many of you know, I recently hosted Mr. Poilievre on my YouTube channel. We talked for 2 hours about the problems besetting Canada in particular and the West in general. For more information about Mr. Poilievre's ideas, please refer to that interview. The URL is in the video description. Mr. Poilievre has something to ask those of you in Canada who might be looking for a way to concretely and practically contribute to perhaps the well-being of this country and more particularly to his endeavors on behalf of Canada. Over to you, Mr. Poilievre.
Well, thanks, Dr. Peterson. In most elections, you just have to show up and vote. But this is not a normal election. It's an election internal to the Conservative Party to choose its leader. So only Conservative Party members can vote to choose the Conservative Party leader. If you're not a member by the deadline of June the 3rd, that's a Friday, then you cannot vote. No membership, no vote. Good news is it's actually really easy to sign up. You just go to my website, pierre4pm.ca. That's Pierre, the number 4, pm.ca, P-I-E-R-R-E, number 4, pm.ca. And you can sign up now for $15. Anyone who's 14 or older, a permanent resident or citizen of Canada is eligible to vote. And if you become a member by Friday, June the 3rd, then you'll get a ballot in the mail in the late summer, which you can just mail back. But if you don't get signed up by June 3rd, you won't be eligible for that ballot. So if you want me to run against and beat Justin Trudeau, go to pierre4pm.ca, sign up to get your membership so that later you can vote for me, you can take back control of your life and help me make Canada the freest nation on earth.
So this is a pretty straightforward process. So you go to pierre4pm.ca, that's the number 4, pierre4pm.ca. You buy a membership and you vote. And you need to do that by June 3rd. And it's a way of doing something concrete and real on the political front. If Mr. Poilievre's ideas interest and intrigue you and you're looking for something that you can actually do, go to pierre4pm.ca, register, and vote. Thank you all for listening and watching. Thank you, Mr. Poilievre.
Thanks, Dr. Peterson.
All right, you've had your call to action, so off to pierre4pm.ca. Bye-bye.